Dakota Haig. Well done, Dakota. Come straight down, Dakota. Okay, the next bike. Oh, okay, 2 bikes and 2 scooters you just won. That's incredible. I thought we were doing them all individual. Wow, that's awesome. Okay, now these are the watches. Mr. Stevens has got this watch on currently as well, so I know it works really well if you need a hand. And this one goes to Aveline Green. Well done from 2T. The basketball hoop, this would be a good one. The basketball hoop, there's 2 tickets there. And this one's from 4W, so get excited, 4W. And it is Carter Hamilton. There you go, Carter, you've been getting all that practice in to try and beat the teachers. Okay, this one is a beauty pack, and it was donated by one of our parents. Yep, Gemma. And this one goes to Nairi Burden, and I don't know if it's a student, but Nairi Burden, and it's got, oh yeah, there we go, it comes in. Sorry, Jackson. The beauty pack will be perfect for Jackson. Okay, boys and girls, we've got this scooter, and it's someone in 3W, and it's Ashley Anderson. Okay, boys and girls, the next one is a chill out kit, and it's got some pretty cool stuff in there to chill out. And this one is Joshua Manman. Joshua Manman. There we go. So I missed that one. There you go, Ty. That was your brother will love that. Okay, a netball pack here. I know Miss Barker would be eyeing that netball pack off. Okay, this one goes to Jody Ryan, Penny Shone, KB. Our next prize. Oh, that'll be perfect for summer. Yep, a cabana there, beach pack, Wahoos, that'll be awesome. Goes somewhere from 4F, Mitchell Stoddard. Well done, Mitch. If you're walking home, Mitch, we'll just strap it to your back, it'll be fine. You're right, congratulations. Okay, Dana's going to show me, it's a big water play pack. Another great activity for the family. And it goes to Cohen King's grandma, Ursula Plunkett. Well done. I know Ursh and Johnny will love that. Okay, boys and girls, this is a men's wellness pack. Oh yeah, that's massager and all good stuff there. And this one, I'm going to have to ask Atlas King to come down because his grandma just won another prize. There's a golf pack. I know Mr. Spencer will be eyeing that one off. He's been practicing his golf swing just recently. Someone in 1-2-T. and it goes to Lachlan Williams. Well done, Lachlan. You'll be able to give Mr. Spencer some golf tips. Okay, this would make a great present. I know my wife would love this one. 2 birds. Mr. Weather would be able to help us to identify what type of birds they are as well. But this person is Peyton Goodchap. Peyton Goodchap. One goes to Brody Clean. Well done, Brody. Brody Clean just won himself a soccer pack. Come on, bro. A summer pack here, boys and girls. Snorkel and a towel. This one goes to Bailey, Germany. Wow, Bailey. That's exciting. Mr. Weatherall stood behind him. It was just like he knew. Beast Kookaburra cricket set. Now, if I was a young fella, I would have loved this. The Beast cricket set. You'll be able to hit a few sixes with that bat, with the Beast, and that's going to go to Casey Ridgewell. Okay, over near the pot plant there's a footy pack. Miss Barker, we'll get it ready. It's got a footy passing target as well. I'm sure Lynn Fenwick is going to love the footy pack. Well done, Lynn. We got one of the boys to come up, and the Fenwick boys. Come on, boys. For Lynn Fenwick. This is the Tropical Fruit World Family Gift Voucher. 2 adults and 2 children. Have a great day out up there. I believe they've got a farmer's market going up there as well. And it goes to Maeve Hogan. Well done. Okay, boys and girls, that's the great raffle done and completed for 2021. We look forward to 2022. Could you all please give the P&C a big round of applause? Okay, boys.